It's been a busy day at the Mews Forest. Today marks a major milestone for this project. I'm Brian, and I'm building a Sugarshack, Nature Center, and Family Pavilion 3000. And I'm doing it by myself for the most part, but with the help of friends and family and things like that. But I designed it, and today I have the piers poured. Concrete has been poured in the Mews Forest. At least it's not pouring rain outside. And I got everything level, square, and plumb, more than I can ask for and hope for. And it looks like a mess, but I think it's a work of art, if you ask me. I'm a little biased, but it's okay. We're cool. We're going to roll with it. So check out what I did, how I did it, and I'll also talk about things that I've learned along the way. Well, the first thing was to take all the dirt and backfill it into the hole. I did it all manually using a garden hoe, a shovel, and a wheelbarrow, and dang it, my back, because it hurt. Got it done in a few hours over a few days to get everything level. And I used a self-leveling laser level to get everything to the right height. It was perfect. I marked those laser areas, and then I cut the tubes to the right height. I used a handsaw at first, and then I switched to a Sawzall because it was a heck of a lot faster for concrete time. This truck mixed the concrete on site, the rocks with the sand and the lime and the water. And I got the wheelbarrows filled with my friend Matt. Thank you for helping out. In an hour and a half, we poured 2¼ yards of concrete into all the 14 sonotubes. From there, I took these Jbolts, and the Jbolts are what holds the wood structure to each concrete pier. I made sure they were plumb and square and in the exact right spot. And I checked, and I double checked, and I triple checked that everything was exactly where it needed to go. Because once that concrete was dry, I needed to make sure it was perfect. Perfect as this level. Everything came out great. You can see all the piers over here. It looks kind of ugly, but it's all at the right height. It's all at the right spacing, all square and ready to go. Next up is digging a trench to run electric to the shack. Thanks for watching.